Hello and welcome to week two of English 111 Online, Shaw University, Spring Semester 2017. I am your instructor, Professor Jason Morgan. Welcome to week two. You made it so far. Yay! Okay, yes, this is an online class. You say, hey, January 15th, the school was closed. It was. But that doesn't really impact Shaw's online classes. Still got work to do. Anyway, so what are we doing this week? We're going to introduce paper one. What? We're going to start writing our first paper? Yeah, this is a composition class. Okay. We're going to learn about MLA formatting, and you're going to start working on the rough draft of the thesis, or the first draft of the thesis for the paper. We'll explain all that. And then there's a pretest you get to take. In addition, there is readings in Odigia. Again, Odigia is our textbook. That is found by clicking up here to English 111. And it says fix me right there. Yeah, fix me enough because I haven't updated the correct syllabus, so ignore that. But Odigia, you click right here to get to the textbook. So for the readings, for Odigia, it would be this is English 111, open the course, and it is week 2, so you click on this, and it's on narration, so you click on narration, and then you read this, and when you're done reading it, you click on that. Yeah. Anyway, so there is the reading for this week. Yeah. Go back to this week, and again we can access it easily by going here. Boop. Okay. So there's the reading for week 2. Introduces the concept of the narrative. Okay. So what are we doing this week? You're watching the video, which you're doing right now. Yay. There's another video you get to watch after this on MLA formatting. This walks you through step by step on how to set up MLA formatting. In watching this video, it'll give you all the information that you need to be able to pass this quiz. Yay. Okay. You can take this quiz up to 2 times. You can take the quiz by just clicking on it. And you go in there, attempt the quiz. You can take it up to 2 times. Highest score counts. So we'll go back to this. Again, so once you watch the MLA formatting video, that'll help you do well on the quiz. And also this will help you when you write your papers. All your papers need to be in MLA formatting for this class moving forward. And then we get to the actual first paper, which is the narrative. Okay, so the narrative, so again, the readings from Odigia will explain kind of what a narrative is. It's basically a story. You're going to be telling me a story. Okay, and so if we click on the narrative paper assignment, it'll download this. There it is. Okay, you have 2 choices to write about. Choose a time when you did something that took a lot of nerve, a time when you didn't follow the crowd, or a time when you stood up for your beliefs. So you can write a narrative paper based on that prompt. Or you can choose this prompt. We all have memories connected to our experiences. Think about an experience you feel you'll always remember. Okay? Try to picture the time, the place, and the people involved. Try to remember everything you can about this experience. Okay, so you can choose one of these 2 options. So we're going to be working on a 2 to 5 page paper for paper 1. It is MLA formatting, which is double spaced and typed, and it's Times New Roman font 512. So that's your directions. You choose one of these options, and you can write a story. Okay. Now it's important not only when you're writing a narrative story to explain the story, but also why it's important. Of all the memories you're going to write about, why is the memory you're going to share important? Why are you sharing that one among all the ones you could choose from? Of all the times you stood up for your beliefs, why pick this particular one? So it needs to be very clear why that made a big impact on your life. That's kind of the point of the narrative. So that's the first paper. Now you don't have to write the whole paper right now. No, all you're going to do is just kind of write the thesis. The thesis is basically what you want to write about. It's basically when you click on this, as long as you just do it, you get credit for it. Okay. The idea is you're going to write. Okay, you pick it. Say I'm going to pick a time when I went to the beach when I was a kid, and my brother nearly drowned, and it taught me the importance of why life is so important that we need to embrace it because you never know when it's going to be taken away. Something like that. But the idea is when you write the story, you want to write it in a way that it's going to help me understand like I was there. And we'll get to that more. So right now for this week, we're just working on the topic. I just want you to think about the topic. And then last but not least for this week is the pretest. So again, this is the standardized pretest that all English 111 students take. Just do your best on it, okay? If you don't know the answers, that's okay. And we will go through this and review this, learn this during the course of the semester. Basically, go in there and do your best. You will earn 100 for just completing the pretest. It's not fair to grade you on things we haven't tested you on. But be honest. This will show you your growth. This will help you show your growth as a student this semester. So you want to make sure that you, don't just go in there and click a bunch of buttons because it doesn't. You're automatically get 100. It also goes to the concept of you're here to learn. I mean, basically, when you cheat, the person you're hurting is yourself. You're not hurting me. As a professor, it's like, yeah, I care, but really, you're the one that's spending time and money to be a student. This is your time to learn stuff, and you gotta learn stuff by doing stuff. So there's that concept. So again, to review for this week, read. What did you? Again, I showed you how to do that. After you're done watching this video, watch this video on MLA formatting. Yeah, it's a little boring, but it does explain. It's very helpful. You'll use this probably a lot when you're creating papers. Again, this will give you all the answers you'll need for the quiz. I showed you the 2 prompts you're going to be using for your narrative paper. So what you're going to be doing this time, again, for this, what you're going to do is you're going to be writing when you write this, you're going to write it as a Word document, okay? And now I don't think I've shown you how to upload something. Maybe I have or haven't, okay? So to add a submission, you just click on Add Submission. So after you've written a file, okay, and then you can either just search for it, you can go and browse your computer, or you can just drag and drop. I don't know if I've got file I can see here. I'll just drag and drop a file. Let's just go to Shaw here. It's like, you can just drag and drop it like that, and then hit Save Changes. That's another way you could upload it. Okay, so that's how. That's what we're doing for week 2. All right, so go ahead and get to work. All right, you can do it. I know it. You can do it. Good job out of you.